Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear YouTube viewers. First of all, thank you so much for joining my video. Before I start the video, subscribe my channel, like my video and share it in your friends. So let's start the video. Today we learn about the planet and the solar system. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy, and in our solar systems there are 8 planets and their moons orbit around the sun. In today's video we discuss about the planets of the solar system and their moon. So the first planet is a Mercury. Mercury is the first planet. It is the smallest and the closest to the sun. It has no moons. The second one planet is Venus. Venus is the second planet. It is yellowish. It is the hottest planet. It has no moons. Now the turn is the Earth. Earth is the third planet. It has life and it is our home. It is made of land and water. It has one moon. So the next one is a Mars. Mars is the fourth planet. It is called the rocky red planet. It has mountains and it has 2 moons. Now the turn is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet. It is the biggest planet. It has a red spot and it has dark rings and it has 79 moons. The sixth planet name is the Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet. It has bright rings made of ice, dust and rock. It has 82 moons. And the seventh planet is a Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet. It is the coldest planet. It has dark rings and it has 27 moons. And the eighth planet is a Neptune. So the Neptune is the eighth planet. It is the farthest planet from the sun. It has dark rings and it has 14 moons. Now we will start our queries session. So remind the 8 planets and get ready for the queries. The solar system consists of the sun and everything that orbits or travels around the sun. This includes the 8 planets and their moons. So the number 1 question, is the planet Neptune bigger than Earth? And the answer is A, yes. The second question, Earth is located in which galaxy? A, the Milky Way, B, Andromeda, C, Cigar. And the answer is A, in the Milky Way galaxy. The third question is, which planet has the highest mountain and volcanoes in the solar system? A, Neptune, B, Mars, C, Mercury. And the answer is B, Mars. Thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. Bye-bye.